afternoon, my dear children. Previous video I told you regarding the poem. I taught something to you which is regarding to our poem. But today we are going to learn the poem. But before start the poem, your textbook page number 29 you have to open and refrain given there, which I am going to explain you before start the poem. Now before it is too late, now is the time for the good deed. Do not wait until tomorrow, for it may be just a little too late. What he is telling, what the poet want to tell you, before anything become late to in your life, see here, it is the good time. You must have to utilize your time. You know, it's very famous proverb in English. We can't purchase the time. Time it has more value. Is it or not? Sometimes you are hearing from your parents, your neighbors, elders, that time is not good. Nowadays, time is not good. See, we have no idea about the next moment. So what poet is telling us, now before it is too late, if going to become too late, now is the time for the good deed. It's the best time. Try to do your work now itself. Do not wait until tomorrow. Don't wait until tomorrow. We don't know whether tomorrow there or not. We don't know how is tomorrow. For it may be just a little too late. And if you are going to wait for tomorrow, it may become late for you. So what I said in the previous video, कल करे सो आज कल, आज करे सो अब, क्षण में होगा परलय, फिर करेगा कब. See, whichever work you want to do tomorrow, do it today. Which work you want to do today, do it now. It is the best time. Don't waste your time. And don't wait for the another time. When the time is going to pass, it won't come back. So, it's the time for good deed. Now we are going to learn our poem. Student, page number 28. If you have a kind word to say, say it now. If you have something to give it now. If you want to share something with someone, then don't hesitate. Don't scare. Go, open your heart. Share your feelings. If you are happy, try to make happy for others. If you have something to give it now. If there is something with you, how much you want, again extra there with you, and you want to give something which is that remain thing for someone, he or she is going to utilize that thing, go and give. 2 long days don't keep with you, it will going to become destroyed. After some days that thing you can't use and you can't give to anyone. So whatever there, go and give now itself. If you can make someone glad or another less sad, do it now, do it now, do it now. If you want to make someone happy with your presence, if you want to make someone glad, then don't make late. Go and make happy. If you can make someone glad or another less sad, do it now, do it now, do it now. If you want to share someone's pain, if you want to make someone relax, if you want to give someone courage, then do it now, now only do it. I will go evening, I will go tomorrow, I will go morning. Don't wait for morning, don't wait for evening. Whatever time there with you, do it now. Now must you have to complete that act. If there is a good news to give it now. See here, don't hide your happiness. If you have good news, share it now. First only give. If there is a friendship to show, hope you can rise, or someone you can prize, do it now, do it now, do it now. If you have a trust to bestow, give it now. Here given, see, bestow on someone means give someone. If you want to become someone else's friend, go, talk with that person. Tell how are you and why you want to become that person's friend. Yourself you go. Don't keep any ego with you. Students, you have more ego with you. Remove that ego. First try to become humble. If you are humble, then surely which are the problems are there in front of you, those all problems are going solve itself. For that sake, we must be honest, we must be kind, we must be charitable, and we must be hesitant. Then the problems will run itself. Is it or not? What the poet is telling, if there is a friendship to show, hope you can rise. If you want to become someone else's friend, yourself you go. Introduce yourself and go to become the friend. Do it now, do it now, do it now. Don't wait. If you have trust to bestow, give it now. If you want to give someone, then give. If there is a courage to give, pain you can ease, or someone you can please, do it now, do it now, do it now. If you want to give someone else courage, if someone is in the pain, if someone lost his hope or low hope, then give courage. Give moral support. Each and everything we can't purchase by money. Compared to money, there are many things in the world. Compared to money, there are many important things are there in the world. And which are those things? Kindness there, charitable there, honesty there, moral support there, time there. Don't waste it. Don't wait for anything. Go and give. If you want to give someone courage, give. If someone had lost his or her hope, tell him or her that our life is too big. This is the lesson you should heed. Try again, try again. If at first you not succeed, try again, try again. Go and tell that person. Failure is the first step of success. At the first step, you can't become success. You won't get success. Is it or not? But don't lose your hope. Even the person who lost his or her hope, go and give him or her courage. It's your duty. Because we don't know what will happen in the next moment. If there is a courage to give, pain you can ease. See here, if you want to give courage, go and give courage. Or someone you can please, if you want to make someone happy, do it now, do it now, do it now. Don't wait. Which are the time there with you now? First you spend that time, first you make that one happy. So which are the good things are there? You should not make it late. You must have to finish that time on the time. And what you must have to learn, you have to learn to give. If you learn to give, if you learn to share, then think automatically you are going to connect with so many people. The world is too colorful. So many good people are there in this world. And if you are kind, if you are loyal, if you are honest, and always if you are giving happiness to others, then surely you are going to connect with all the people. So my dear students, we completed our poem. I will meet you in the next class with new video. Till then, take care.